In this video, we'll show you how to change your Facebook page name step by step. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support the channel. To get started, open the Facebook app and switch to the Facebook page you want to rename. Once you've switched to your page, tap the profile icon again in the bottom right or top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and look for Page Setup. At the top, you'll see your current page name. Tap View next to it. From here, you can enter your new page name. After typing in the new name, tap Review Change. Facebook will ask you to confirm the change. Keep in mind, once you change your page name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So make sure the new name is correct before confirming. And that's how you change your Facebook page name. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Trend Tech Guide for more Facebook tutorials and easy tech tips.